Pro tip, do not trust your latest Autel scope update. Today is August 8th, and the latest update that came this week for the scope has bugs in it. It's got a few of them. This is one of them, and this one burned me hardcore, chasing an intermittent open in a freaking wire to the O2 sensor. One measuring at the fuse that feeds it, one point measuring at the oxygen sensor connector, and there's a problem. So this video is also full of my grumpy face. You're just going to deal with it because it has rightfully aggravated me. And the full video will come out, I don't know when, but it's going to be a while, so look for that. But this is, you need to be careful of this if you're using these freaking Autel scopes. It has always been buggy. We have multiple bugs documented on this channel, but this one is aggravating, so be careful. Now I'm pretty aggravated. I think I've seen what might be happening here. I think we actually may have fixed this issue. I think we have a scope problem that is causing us to chase this little deviation. Look at this. Again, I hope you can hear me. The engine's running right here. I just had started to mess with this. I did not change anything. I did not open that up yet. And because I was going to be having to watch both things at the same time, the scope and the engine, I changed the time base on this scope. And so you can very clearly see channel D is a 12.2 volt average, and you can see it is nowhere near 13.5. Channel A is on the fuse. It is at 13.5, like on the money, 13.5. Watch this. We're set up in 100 milliseconds per division. I'm just going to change this to 2 seconds per division. And go back. Look how much closer to 13.5 it is. I did not change this scale. Now let's do 1 second. See, it's just under 13.5. Red's still 13.5. Now let's change this to 1 second per division. It's actually a little bit just under. It was sitting right at 13.5 when I did this earlier. Let's go back to 100 milliseconds. Boom. Very low. Like specifically 12.2 is right about where it's at. But this is a huge problem. So 100 milliseconds per division and 1 second per division. Look at that, back up by 13.5. We'll just set it right on that line so you can see it. It's tracing that line right on. So 13.2 we'll even call it. Go back to 100 milliseconds. Look at that. It drops down. Our average, 12.1, 12.2. Go back to 1 second. Our average, 13. We have a 1 volt difference between the scales when we zoom in on our time base. Now, I've seen this before on the y-axis. You got to be careful. It'll be off a little bit if you zoom out far, in too far. I've never seen this on the time scale. This will screw someone up. Look at this, 13.1. All I'm going to do is change the time scale back to 100. Boom, 12.2. That's a volt difference. And when we're chasing an intermittent wiring issue with different resistances somewhere, like that 1 volt can mean an absolute difference. So, Autel's probably lucky it's Saturday. I might call them anyway. Buddy, when I get a hold of one of them guys, I'm pretty confident this van is fixed. And we have been chasing a scope issue for this 1 volt offset. This is, man, that's infuriating. I'm going to power off the scope and the VCMI, restart it, and see if this problem goes away.